So money means if you are having, you can save it in the bank. So no thieves will take and go. You can save it in the bank. Okay. So today money means now. What is meant by money, Isra?
Can I say, ma'am? Can I say?
Yes, Adidev.
Money is a material that is used in different types of value and used to buy stuff.
Yes, buy things. So that is called the money. Okay. So
I have money from different countries.
You are having different. Yes. Next
No,
one more topic is there.
Ma'am, I also have, but not money. Coins. Coins from different countries.
Saudi Arabia.
You are having. What is the coin in Saudi Arabia called?
Ma'am, I have the coin and rupees. Ma'am,
What is the coin in Saudi Arabia called?
I have
a coin from Bahrain.
Bahrain. Yes. Next topic. One more topic is there that it is coming. What is the value of this coin?
I have coins from Oman.
Yes.
Dubai, Germany and all.
Germany and all. Okay. So now what we are going to discuss means what is meant by unitary method and how to solve the problems connecting unitary method. That means you are going to the shop. First topic is how will you add the decimals. You know what is meant by decimal. So in the money chapter itself, 25,000 Shivadhyan said.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, Henry
Yes.
Jordan now.
Yes, no problem.
Ma'am, did you take the attendance?
No, I did not take the attendance. I will take now. Okay, so just write in rough book first. Afterwards, you can write in your class notes. Notes you can write in the class notes. Just I want to check how much you are knowing about adding the decimals. What is meant by decimal? Complete part is not there. That means 2.1. Have you heard about 2.1 and all?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you heard?
Yes.
Yes. 2.5. Yes, now, if you are having one chapati at home, you want to give 2 members. 2 members want to eat. How will you divide, Prajwal?
Ma'am, we need to take part 2.
Yes, we have to take part 2. Yes, how will you define? How will you divide it, Prajwal?
Ma'am, can you say the question? We will cut.
One chapati is there. 2 persons should eat. How will you divide it now?
We should divide it half.
You have to divide that chapati into half pieces. And this half is called 0.5. It is not complete part is not there. Okay. Now, if you want to take 1.5, 1.5, in this 1.5, 1 is called the complete number and 5 is called the decimal number. Okay, decimal part. What is the name for 1? It is the complete part and 5 is called the decimal part. Okay, so what is the decimal part here? What is the decimal part? 5 is called the decimal part and 1 is called the complete part. Okay, 1.5. 1.5 is a decimal number because it is put after the 1 dot is there. So it is called a decimal. 3.4. What is the complete number, Shivadhyan? 3.4. What is the complete number here?
3 rupees.
3. Not, rupees is not there. 3 and what is the decimal part? Chris Mandagan. What is the decimal part here? 4 is the decimal part. 3 is the complete number and 4 is the decimal part. Okay. Then 3.42. How will you write it? 4.32. How will you write? What is the decimal part here, Anupama? 4.32. What is the decimal part?
32.
4.32. What is the decimal part?
Ma'am, can I say?
Yeah.
Ma'am, can I say answer?
Just wait.
32.
32 is the decimal part. When you are saying about a decimal, you will not read it as 44.32. Whenever there is decimal, you have to read the separate numbers. That means 4.32. Don't read it as 4.32. That is wrong way of reading. Okay. 4.32 and 32 is called the decimal part. Okay. Then next one. What is a complete number here? What is a complete number? Anselin? 4 is the complete part. Okay. 4 is the complete part and 32 is called the decimal part. Okay. So now you have to add some decimal numbers and you have to subtract some decimal number and you have to multiply some decimal number. How to add, subtract and multiply certain decimal numbers. Okay. First one you can write add. Only in rough book you write now. No need of writing in your class notes. Only in your rough book. No need of writing in class notes.
Ma'am, our rough book page finished.
Yes, rough book only you can write it. First one. $7.3. In detail, it will come in the next topics. Decimals in this there in detail. What is the answer? You will get it, Adinath. Can you tell me?
5. Ma'am, can I say?
Yes.
10.
3 plus 2 is 5. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10.5. You add how you are adding in the complete number, put the decimal after the decimal part. That much only you should do it. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
7 point. This one I will not send the notes through WhatsApp. This notes only for rough work. Okay. Whether it is a revision. So no need of writing in class notes. Second question you can write.
10 rupees and 5 paisa.
Which one?
The answer is 10 rupees and 5 paisa.
No, only 1 point. 10.5. Second question you can write.
10.5.
Ma'am, can you show the second question?
Second, this is the second question now. 7.32 plus 5.25.
Ma'am, 12.57.
7.32.
12.5.
Yes. What is the answer you got?
12.57.
12 point, not 57.
12.57, ma'am.
12.57 is the answer. 5 plus 2 is 7, 3 plus 2, 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. That much only you should do it. Any doubt in this?
No, ma'am. I'm easy. That is very easy for to add these numbers. Yeah. I am playing Hindu.
Ma'am, 9.1.
Yes, how much?
9.1.
Yes, what's the answer you got it?
9.10.
No, no. 2 plus 1 is 3. 6 plus 4 is 10. Will be carried over. 6 plus 1 is 7 plus 1, 10.03.
10.03.
10.03.
Wrong. And this is the third question.
Yes, third question.
That is finished.
2 plus 1, 3.
And this was very easy.
Easy. Yes.
But I was confused. There was a carryover.
Yes, yes. 1 is carryover. You should add to the next digit. Don't forget it. Next one, shall we go for subtraction?
Yeah.
Yes, afterwards you can write the notes.
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. I didn't finish the third question.
What is the third question?
3.42.
Ma'am,
Yes.
6.6. Ma'am, I can now because I have some network.
Who is writing the third question? Anselin?
Yes, ma'am. My phone overheated, so I rejoined right now.
Okay, what is the third question? Shivadhyan? Adilat, you can say the third question now.
Ma'am, did you write any notes? I can now because I have network.
10.03.
Yes, what is the third question?
10.03, ma'am. Ma'am, that is the answer, but I need the question.
What is the question? Adidev?
3.41. 6.61.
6.61 and
6.31 plus
3.42.
3.
42.
Ma'am, 61. Ma'am, 61. 31, not
Okay.
61.
Ma'am, did you write any notes?
60, I think.
No.
70, I
And the
think.
third question is 6.31 and 3.42.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Third question you can copy it because I rubbed it.
3.61 plus
6.61 plus 3.42. Yes. 6.61.
And it's get to 9.103.
Ma'am, can you show the fourth question?
Yes. Fourth question we can go for subtraction now. Subtract. (2.8) minus 1.7. 2.8 minus 1.7.
Ma'am, 1
The answer is 1.1.
1, so 8 minus 7 is 1. 2 minus 1, so we'll get it as 1.1. How you are subtracting for complete number? You can subtract it. Wherever decimal is there, you have to insert the decimal. Yes. Shall we go for second question? All of you completed first one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Can you show the board again?
2.8 minus 1.7. You can write the answer as 1.1.
Ma'am, can you show the next question?
Yes. Second one. Shall I rub it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, very easy question.
Yes, ma'am, it is. It was very easy.
9.9%.
Can I give some hard?
Yes, hard questions I will give you. Next topic it is there, hard questions. Because our next semester, next term, you have to study about these decimals again.
I missed this the second question.
Yes, second one.
This is 3.2.
3.2.
3.2. All of you completed?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am, I also got 3.2.
Yes, 5 minus 3 is 2, 10 minus 7 is 3. Okay, next one. So, shall we go for multiplication?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Take that.
Multiply.
I'm only 2 questions for subtraction.
1.2 subtraction examples are there. Still, I'm having many questions are there. I will give it in the pen drive. In notes, you can write it. This one just I want to know.
1 by 0.2 into 2.
Yes,
Ma'am,
1.2.
2.4.
Yes. What you should do there means.
1 by 4. No, 1.
So here, without saying the decimal, you multiply. 12 into 2. 12 into 2 is 24. Where you will insert the decimal, you will get it as 2.4. 1.2 into 2 will be 2.4.
Ma'am, I was little confused. That's why I got 1.4.
That was so
1.4
easy.
no, 12 into 2 you should multiply.
Ma'am, I used the
4.
multiplication method.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I also use multiplication
I
method.
don't know that this time will teach it.
Then you have to remove one decimal, that much only.
Yes.
Second
Ma'am,
question.
division is also going to be there.
1.3 into 4.
1.3 into
4 you can multiply and write there. Multiply 13 and 4.
4.9.
4.9?
4.9.
No.
No,
4.
ma'am. 5.12.
5.2.
5.12. 5.2.
Yes, 5.2.
Carry over.
Ma'am, it was very easy. They got
Very
it.
easy.
But they put not.
Yes. So shall we go for some worked out examples in chapter money, chapter 8, you write the heading. Chapter 8. In class notes. This I told you to write in rough book because I want to know how much you learned. So you are okay.
Division.
Yes, in class notes you have to write it now.
Ma'am, there is no division.
Which one?
There is no
Division
division.
not necessary. Division is not necessary. We can go for chapter 8, money.
Class notes.
Ma'am, you are writing paper.
Yes, heading you write it as chapter 8, money.
Ma'am, can you send this in WhatsApp also?
Yes. This one no need of writing. Okay, you write the heading. Unitary method in money.
Ma'am,
Yes, notes.
let me take my file and come. Ma'am, can you send it in WhatsApp?
Money and unitary method in money.
Ma'am, can you send this in WhatsApp?
No, this one I will send.
Ma'am, can you wait a little bit? I need to take my file. Ma'am, finish.
Ma'am, Henry is unmuted.
Chapter 8. Who is talking? Adinath, please mute your audio.
No, notice. That is somebody.
Not muted. I can not see. You are muted.
Ma'am, I need to write unitary method in money.
Yes.
Ma'am, finish.
Finish. We can go for the next slide. This is subtraction. Not necessary of subtraction now. Basics in decimals you write. Next heading. You write basics in decimals. Examples. First problem, first example you can write 436.5. plus 703.75.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you show the heading, please?
Which one? Which heading you need?
The headings of the time.
Ma'am, can you show the previous one? I didn't
completed.
Ma'am, can you show the
You
previous
can write it now.
Show
Yes.
the previous one.
Yes, this one only previous one.
Ma'am, can you show the next one which you show after this?
Yes, yes, wait.
Can you show the basics in decimals?
Yes, wait. 1 minute.
Ma'am,
Somebody want to complete it, they will complete now.
yes, ma'am, I need to complete.
No, ma'am, everyone completed it.
No, ma'am, I need to complete.
Ma'am, Adidev.
Adidev?
Sorry,
Ma'am,
ma'am,
he's talking and taking the sign.
I went to take my file, ma'am.
Very
I'm finished. You can start.
No, ma'am.
Yes, who is talking now?
Ma'am, finish. Ma'am, can you show the next one?
10,000 minutes is taking for us to do.
Yes, we can go for the next slide.
You will have
Next
1 billion.
Who is talking?
Ma'am, Adinath.
Yes,
Ma'am,
are you?
can you show the basics?
Basics in this.
Time is up.
Yes.
Eight more minutes left. 7. Henry, can you mute?
Please. And
Henry, go in the headphone.
Finished all of you? Completed?
No, ma'am.
No,
ma'am,
ma'am.
I'm writing the last one.
I'm writing the last one
Yes,
also,
ma'am.
ma'am.
I did this by not looking in the board.
Ma'am, finish.
Please mute.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Is tomorrow a holiday?
Ma'am, finish.
Yes.
Ma'am, tomorrow is Nibidinam.
Yes.
What? Tina?
Is tomorrow.
Holiday.
Completed all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Holiday. Yes, ma'am, finish.
Second question. This is the second question. You can write it.
Ma'am, can you show the... We need to write examples again.
Basic.
Excuse
Ma'am,
me,
can
ma'am.
you show the second one?
Did you complete first one, all of you?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Next one, second one.
Ma'am, we need to write examples again.
Again, no need of writing examples here.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you show basics in this month?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Is tomorrow a holiday?
Yeah.
That one will be announced to you.
Ma'am, can you show the basics? Ma'am, yes, because...
That is not business.
Ma'am, can you show the basics in this month?
Yes, wait.
Ma'am, the answer is 70 or 30.
70. Because question only it is not correctly written. So that it is 70. Completed?
Completed, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you show the basics in this month?
No, ma'am.
Who is writing still?
Adidev.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I no need to look at the second one because I copied on the question. Now I'm writing the answer.
Yes.
Opera.
Did you complete?
No, ma'am, I'm almost done. I'm in the last question. Now I finished, ma'am.
Finished. Shall we go to the next problem? Second problem afterwards. No one should say the not completed.
Third problem,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
second problem I finished.
Second problem.
733.7.
Yes, ma'am, I got the answer correct.
Okay,
Yeah.
now shall we go for subtraction?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
ma'am. I can go before.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Wait. Yes, subtraction, you can write it.
This is the second question.
Addition, second question. Addition, second question.
Ma'am, can you show
Ma'am,
the
can you show
Yes,
the
yes, wait. Write it fast.
subtraction?
Ma'am, finish.
Finish.
Can you show the third?
Shall I show subtraction now? Afterwards, no one should say.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
You can take it.
ma'am, time is up.
Yes, subtraction, you can write first problem.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, did you take the attendance?
No. Who is talking there still?
Ma'am,
First question, did you copy?
No, ma'am.
No.
Can we show
No.
the next question?
Yes, wait.
Ma'am, can you show the next question?
Ma'am, can you show next question?
Can you
Yes.
show the next question?
Yes. Second one, in subtraction.
Okay, ma'am. 1 minute. First. Ma'am, can you tell the first question's number? Ma'am, can you show the
Ma'am,
question?
Yes.
can you take the attendance?
No,
Time is
who
up.
is that asking that?
Henry.
Who is asking that now?
Henry.
Henry, ma'am.
Henry.
In the attendance.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you show the first question?
Who is asking now still?
Number 5.
Ma'am, can you show the second question?
Yes. Second question only now.
Where is the first question? And first question, second number. Ma'am,
Yes,
can you show the first question?
time over now.
No, ma'am, I don't.
Yes, ma'am.
Time is over.
Ma'am, the time is over.
Yes.
Can you show that? Let me copy it fast. Please, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you show the second question?
Ma'am, where did you copy it fast?
Ma'am,
You
finish.
Yes.
can take a screenshot.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, time is over.
Time is over. Okay, bye.
I want second question.
Please have a nice day.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Second question.
Second question only it is there.
Ma'am, this is first question.
Ma'am, can you? Ma'am, time is over.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, bye bye. See you in the next class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, I'm going to wind up because other students are waiting now. Okay, bye bye.
Bye. Thank you.